Let me show you 3 sneaky ways how you can get web design clients even if you're a total beginner, even if you're just starting your web design agency. Now, I will show you these 3 ways, and then I will basically go and I will show you in a practical way how to use these strategies. Okay, so if you're just starting a web design agency, or if you already have a web design agency but you're struggling to get leads, this is the video for you. Okay, so obviously most beginners wait for clients, and smart designers like you, because you're watching this video, go and find them themselves. Okay, now there are a lot of manual ways, there are a lot of automatic ways how to get web design clients. In this particular video, I will show you smart ways, but manual ways that you can go and find clients. But I will also give you a hint, which in this case, you can use Claude Code or AI tools that you have at your disposal to make this quicker. You're going to sign up to go high level anyway. Why not do it with my own link? You get extra 30-day free trial along with my private community access, free snapshots, and a full system for selling AI to local businesses. You will sign up to go high level either way. Why not sign up through someone that can actually teach you? And the best part, it costs you nothing extra. The link is down below. Okay, so the first step right here is spying on who's already spending money and who is sending traffic to their website already. Okay, a lot of local businesses like plumbers, dentists, HVAC, they have they're running ads, and they have ads running to their website. So what does that mean? If their website is not converting well, that means they're losing money. If they don't have a good website, this is your opportunity to go and help them. Okay, so you can filter the businesses running ads 30 plus days, and that means it's working enough to keep paying, and you can check their landing page. So if a landing page is, slow, ugly, or it's not converting, it doesn't have a chatbot, for example, that's pretty much your lead. So that could be your potential client. So they're already paying for traffic. Your job is just to stop them from wasting that traffic. Okay, so they have the budget and they just don't have the good website, and you can go in there, you can go to their ads, to their Facebook page, and you can see their contact information and you can contact them. Okay, so I'll show you this later on in this video in a detail. Now, second method is find businesses with a broken web presence. Okay, so you can go to websites like expireddomains.net, and you can search for keywords like plumbing, saloon, roofing, any local business like that, or your specific business that you want to target. You can also cross-check them on Google Maps if the business is still active, or you can use a so-called Wayback Machine, which, you can use those expired domains and you can check if, like previously, a business was active on that domain. I will show you that in a second, but you can use webarchive.org as well to show them and what their site used to look like versus now. And yeah, you can just pitch them your domain is expired. Anyone searching for you right now finds absolutely nothing. It will go to other competitors. So this is a rescue pitch essentially. So the urgency is already real. You just need to point it out. And again, you can find as well their contact information as well. So that's the second method. It's not the most fancy one, but it works. So that's something you can also use to actually go and sign more clients. Now, third method is actually my favorite one, and that is let content bring clients to you. Okay, so this is a sneaky one, because what you can do is you can make simple YouTube videos why your plumber website is losing customers, for example. And I will show you how you can actually go and rank #1 on YouTube, because this is what I'm doing actively with this channel and some of my other YouTube channels that I had in the past. So you can target niche plus location keywords to the right business owners so that they can actually find you. Okay, so every video needs to have a call to action specifically at the start of the video, which can be book a free website audit, link below, or if you want me to help you, book a free website audit below, something like that. And you pretty much wake up to booked calls after you have at least 30 to 50 videos on the YouTube channel. basically no outreach needed, and businesses come to you. So one video can bring leads for 2 years. Cold email brings leads for 1 day. I mean, just imagine, like, I'm currently recording this video, and people might join through my affiliate link. I'm usually a Go High Level affiliate, so people join through my affiliate link and they join in my community because I make content. So why wouldn't like local business see the content that you're making and then join or book a call with you, right? So that's essentially what I'm trying to get out of this. Okay, so obviously, right now we went through all of these. Now I will actually show you in a practical way how these, how these things work one by one. So obviously the first one is ad library. We need to simply go to our country that we want to target. So in this case, it can be United States. And in this case, as you can see, we can choose the all ads. And as you can see, we can choose by keyword. So for example, dentists or dentist, we can choose that keyword, this exact phrase. And as you can see here, we actually have all ads. Obviously, once this loads up, as you can see, we have all the dentists. So for example, we have Pop On, we have Pronamel US. So let's say if we go to this one, Levy Goldman Dentistry, this one looks promising. So as you can see, we can see that they have 800 followers, and we can go and see the link here. And as you can see, okay, they do have a booking online. I can see they do have as well a chatbot here, which is great. Okay, so this is not really the client that I want to target, but still I can go and I can search for more of these. Okay, so for example, Columbus, Indiana cosmetic dentist. I can go to this one. Okay, and again, I can go here and click on that link and see if, okay, so this looks really ugly. I mean, this might be functional website, but they don't have a chatbot. They're not really structured in a good way. Obviously, I don't want to diss this business, but yeah, you can go and you can literally make a much better website for these this dentist. Okay, so in this case, as you can see, you have a contact information. You can simply go and you can email them. I mean, couple of emails a day and you're pretty much good to go, right? You can at least go and get your word out there. Okay, so that's the first way. Now the second way right here is to go to expireddomains.net, and as I said, here you can find expired domains of the businesses by the keywords. Okay, so if we go deleted.com, and if we show the filter here, we can actually go here and we can simply go contains, and we can go and say dentist. Okay, and we can hit apply filter. Now this will give us all the domains that are expired for this particular dentist. Okay, so in this case, let's say North Carolina sedation dentistry. We can simply copy this and we can go to Google. Okay, and we can simply hit this, and we'll probably get here. As you can see, we have okay, we cannot actually see this, but we can go North Carolina sedation dentistry without .com, and we can go here and see their specific like Google Maps. Okay, what you can also do is you can copy all of these and you can paste them in AI, and AI will find the contact information for you, like Claude or ChatGPT. Now, also, one thing you can do is you can copy this and you can go to Wayback Machine, and Wayback Machine will actually give you the website how it was before it got terminated, before the domain expired. So as you can see here, we can click maybe 2025 here. And as you can see, we have the date here, and here is the snapshot, or actually the screenshot of the website at that time. So as you can see, the Wayback Machine has not archived that URL, but you can pretty much go and you can check for a URL, a specific URL. So let's say we go to this one right here. We can copy this one, we can go here, and then we can hit show all. And as you can see here, we have a couple of snapshots from 2024. Okay, we have here one snapshot, and we can click on it, and then we'll be able to see that specific snapshot. Now in this case, as you can see, this is not even a dentist website. Okay, so yeah, this is basically the second way. So although this is not the most effective way, this is still a good way to go and find those clients. So as you can see, you can, go through these domains pretty quickly and find some of the clients. You have 33 pages for dentists. So a really, really useful thing. Now, third one, as I told you, is in this case, YouTube content, right? So this is what I'm the best at, and this is what I usually teach. So how you can position this is you can position this in an outcome-based keyword, okay? So do not say, I'm selling a website or something like that. Rather, go for a specific keyword that highlights the outcome, okay? In this case, you can say how to get clients as a plumber, and you can present them a solution, which is your website design skills, but you can show them how an AI chatbot, for example, on the website can capture their leads, okay? And how they can pretty much like collect the leads and automatically book leads with that website, okay? Or if you have an AI integrated in the website, show them how that works. Show them the outcome, okay? Now, in this case, how does this work? So how can you actually rank number one? So for example, this is a keyword I went in and I just, wrote this keyword in, how to get clients as a plumber, okay? Now, if you're targeting dentists, you can go how to get clients as a dentist. This is just one keyword. Make sure to ask Claude and AI to give you more keywords. But once you have the keyword, you click on the keyword, make sure you have vidIQ extension installed, which is right here. And here, as you can see the subscribers and you can see the views. But it's very important that if you want to target this keyword, it's very important that the first person that is ranking for this, that you see their subscribers, that you see their views, and that you see their, this is like a time when they're uploaded the video, okay? So in this case, this is a good keyword because obviously the keyword is 1 year old in this case, and no one uploaded this particular keyword for 1 year, which means that fresh content can be beneficial for that specific keyword. Second, you can see that this is a small channel and it gets small views, okay? So in 1 year, like only 380 views. So it's not really high volume, but still you can go and you can rank for this. Imagine having 10 videos and each of these 10 videos collects at least, 1 to 2 to 3 views every single week. That's still something, and that compounds over time, okay? So in this case, as you can see, for this particular channel, they might have multiple different videos. You go to that channel, you go to videos here, and as you can see, we can go to popular, and we can see some of their popular videos. So now what we can do is, we can go and we can maybe copy this keyword, how to make a travel agency website. Another really cool video that you can promote your services. So how to make a travel agency website, we click here and we can see here some of the people ranking for this. Now, as you can see, 1,000 subscribers, another really great video that we can rank for. Now, we might not be number one in each of these instances. However, if our video is better than the number one, we just might be number one, okay? So again, with my experience in YouTube, this is by far the best way how to get clients because clients will come to you, right? So right now you need to cold call, you need to call DM, you need to do all these things. But if you do this, clients will come to you. Now, if you want to, design websites and, if you want to learn how to in depth, how to get clients with YouTube, I do have a video in my private community. So if you join with my Go High Level 30-day free trial link, you will actually go and you will have access to my private community with that course lesson, which in this case is how to get clients with YouTube inbound, okay, or organic marketing. So this is for those of you who want to go and design websites on Go High Level. Again, you can go and you can check some of my tutorials on Go High Level. It will be extremely beneficial to you because this is a new way of, creating websites, designing websites, and then selling them to local businesses, okay? So enough of me rambling here. If you have any questions or anything like that, comment below. And yeah, obviously we'll see you in the next video.